15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal social security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no social security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 10. Business credit doubles borrowing ability. Another benefit of business credit is that it more than doubles borrowing ability. You already have consumer credit. Now you can have a whole other credit profile with business credit also. Having business credit is the only way to have two credit profiles. You can't go into Staples and get a consumer credit card, then go in the next day and get another one. This is possible with business credit though. You can go into Staples and get a consumer credit card, then go in the next day and get a business credit card with them. Business credit is the only way to double the amount of credit you have access to. This is because you have two credit reports. With access to more store and cash credit cards, you also have access to a lot more usable money. Reason number 11. Business credit has very high credit limits. Per the SBA, business credit limits are 10 to 100 times that of consumer limits. So not only can you get business credit fast, it's also credit with very high limits. Businesses have a greater need for credit than a consumer does. This is called credit capacity, but you can easily need this much or more for a business. Getting business credit radically increases available credit. An average Staples card limit on the consumer side might be $3,000, but in the business world, it might be closer to $30,000. It's very common to get credit cards with limits of $10,000 or more within 2 to 3 months from starting to apply for credit. This is impossible to accomplish with consumer credit. Reason number 12. Business credit building is fast. Business credit can be obtained very quickly. Get approved for initial vendor credit to help your business grow immediately. That credit will typically report within 30 to 90 days. It will trigger Experian and Equifax scores and Paydex. Once reported, you will then have reported trade lines. These in turn give you an established business credit profile and score. Once your profile is established in 90 days or less, you can then start getting real usable revolving store credit cards. Within 120 to 180 days, you can then get real cash credit. These are cards such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express credit you can use anywhere. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you.